this is a nice video, guys. So in this video, I will be breaking down this nice song that is Because He Lives. But before started, I want to say thanks to those who subscribe to my channel and support me with likes and comments. Okay, so you will enjoy to my heart, guys. I want you to do the same if you haven't yet. Okay, please do me this favor, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. As you see in this video, we will be in the key of C sharp major. Okay, so to start, this is a C major scale that I'm going to play in the beginning of the song. Okay, I just play it fast, but I play it with the right fingering. That is the reason that I can do it so fast. Okay, so we're just going to play it with only the right hand. Okay. Okay, this is the right hand fingering. Okay, let me start it there. We started with the finger number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And if we want, we can continue to go up, okay? And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start it there on the 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should practice it slowly before playing it so fast. Okay, you have to start playing it slowly, so your fingers can have the habit of playing it, and after you will increase the level, you will increase the tempo. Okay, I hope you understand this. I want to take all my time to explain this to you so you can understand everything. I want you to understand everything. And now let's start with the song Because He Lives. Okay, this is how I start. This is very simple gospel song. So I just play 5, 1, 2, 3, and then this is a C sharp major chord with the melody on top. Okay? C sharp with the melody on top. It's like playing the first inversion of C sharp major with the melody on top. Okay, and in my left hand, I'm just going to play a C sharp drop 2 voicing. C sharp drop 2. What is a drop 2 chord? A drop 2 chord, it's when you take the second highest note, 1, 2, and drop it down. Okay, this is F. I'm just going to put it there. But we can also take it and put it there also. So we take this F, that was drop it there, and then we are going to just put it there, up. Okay? So it becomes like this. And I just play it there in the bass. Okay? Simple. F sharp drop 2. G sharp drop 2. Okay? So simple. Okay, let's continue. You see? And then now this is a C sharp major 7 chord voicing. Okay? C sharp major 7. And I complete it with this. So this is the same thing. There, it's like taking this part and go to play it there. Okay? With the melody on top. C sharp major 7, and then there, this is a C sharp 7 dominant chord. Okay? And then crazy chord. This is a 13 chord. This is a 13 chord. With this is the 13, and there this is the flat 9. Okay, C sharp 13 with the flat 9. It's like combining C7 in the left hand and then a 6 major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 B flat major. Okay, when we combine these two chords together, it gives us this C sharp 13 chord. Okay, let me start over. Okay, and then we go there and the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the left hand we just play a 4 drop 2 chord. Okay, in there we just play a F sharp chord. Okay, with the melody on top. Okay, bum, bum. Okay, we just invert it. We just follow the melody with it. F, F, and then we're going to play a pattern like this. This is a diminished chord. Okay, and then there, this is the 5. This is a G sharp chord. The 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an inversion with the melody on top. Okay, there, this is a diminished chord. Okay, it's like playing this chord. Okay, this is a C sharp diminished 7 chord, or we can even say this is a G diminished 7 chord. Okay, anything, and then okay, 2, 1, 6, 5. There we play the melody with chord C sharp major with the melody on top. Bum, 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 bum. And then there we just play the second inversion of C sharp. Okay, and then there we're going to play a slash chord. This is very nice. This is 5 over 4. 5 with the 4 on the bass. Okay, there it's like playing a major 6 chord. It's just a voicing. We just take these notes away and it becomes like this. Okay, we work this melody up. There, this is another drop 2 chord. This is the 1, but we play it on the 3 in the bass. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 5, 1. Okay, so this is the 6. The 6 with the 1 in the right hand with the melody on top. Bum, bum. Okay, we just invert the C sharp major in the right hand to follow the melody. And then there we're going to do a famous chord. Okay, this is a combination of the flat 3 with the 5 minor chord. Okay, that is the flat 3. 1, 2, 3, flat 3. Okay, there, this is an E major chord. E major chord. E drop 2. So we just take the second highest note and drop it down. I put it there, and I go to do it on the bass. Okay, and in my right hand I just play a 5 minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 G sharp minor. Okay, let's continue. This is crazy. So this is a passing chord to go to the 5. Okay, this chord is a half diminished 7 chord, or we can say this is a minor 7 flat 5 chord. Yeah, G minor 7 flat 5, G minor 7 flat 5. Okay, and then there we play slurs. 5 sharp 5 6 Okay. There, this is a dominant 7 chord. This is a G dominant 7. After this, this is probably the same thing that we did lately. Okay, and then we're going to work it up. 2, 3 with the melody on top. Okay, this is a drop 2 chord. This is the flat 7 drop 2 chord. Okay, we play it like a 2 chord and then 3 chord. This is the C sharp drop 2 chord. Okay, because I know, he holds the few. Okay, no, he. Yeah, this is a 6 with a 1. He holds. There, it's like playing a 2-5-1 progression chord. 2, 5, 1. Okay, no, it's like playing a 2-5-1 chord, but it is not really a 2-5-1 progression chord. It's like playing something like this. Okay, but it's not really it. This is a 6 with a 1, and then there, this is a 5 with a. There, this is a flat 7, yeah. B major. Okay, and then there. This is a G7 flat 5 chord. Passing chords just to go to the 4. We follow the melody there with the 4 chord. Okay, and then we invert it to follow the melody. And then there we're going to do something very nice. Okay, these chords are diminished 7 chords voicing. Okay, so it's like playing 3 diminished 7 chord, 4, 5, flat 5. But we are not going to play them fully like this. We are going to play voicings with them. So with this, we'll withdraw this. We'll play it like this. Okay, we take this away. We do the same with the 4, 3, 4, and then with the 5, we will play it like this. Okay? Instead of playing this fully diminished 7 chord, we're just going to play this. So we just make a voicing with it. We take away the B. And then we will stop it there on the flat, on the sharp 5, okay? So this is a diminished 7 chord, fully diminished 7 chord, and we are not going to play it like this. We're going to play a voicing with it instead. Okay, so we just take away the C and play it like this. And then what I do, I just come to play it in the bass. This is nice, okay? Okay? This is nice. This is nice. This is a minor 7 flat 5 chord again. Okay? E flat minor 7 flat 5 chord with the melody on top. 2, 3 with the melody on top. This is a F sharp. This is a C sharp major chord with the melody on top. And then there I just play a second version of this. Okay, and then there, this is a combination of chords. There I just played the 6, and there is a diminished chord with the melody on the top, with the melody on the top, and then there. There, this is a dominant chord. Yeah, E flat dominant chord with this chord. There, this is a C minor chord. Yeah. So we just combine these two chords together, and then okay. So this is a slash chord, combination of two chords. In my left hand, I just play like, let's say, a major 6 chord. Yeah. So we just play a voicing with it. We're going to take away these two notes and play it like this. And in my right hand, I just play a F major chord, a 3 major chord, 1, 2, 3 major chord. Okay, with the melody on top. And I walk the melody down. I come there, and I'm going to do it again, or I'm going to play it again. There with this voicing, I played it lately. Okay, this is like, okay, this is a minor 6 chord voicing. So if I take this F sharp and put it there, and then I put this chord, this will be a F sharp minor 6 chord. I just invert it. I take away this, I play a voicing with it, and I take the F sharp, I put it there. Nice voicing, okay? I hope you see everything. And then to finish, I play the 5 in my left hand and the 3 major chord in my right hand with the melody on top, F major. And then I'm going to finish it like this. This is amazing. In my left hand, I play a sharp 5 chord, major chord. Then there, I just play the 1, and then I will play this. This is a B chord, B major chord. It's probably a B major 9 chord. Yeah, B major 9 chord. And I'm going to finish it there. And this nice major 9 chord, C sharp major 9, okay? So this is a 1 we can play there. I hope you understand everything. So I wanted to take all my time to explain these chords to you. So I hope the video helps you. And don't forget to subscribe. Please comment, leave me a like, and we will meet in the next video.